In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Messenger chat. Backing up your conversations is really important if you're switching phones, planning to reset your device, or you just want to keep a copy of important messages for peace of mind. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and search for how to back up Messenger chat. You'll see several guides and help articles appear. The reason we start with this search is that Facebook occasionally updates its layout and settings, so using the official help pages or a recent guide ensures you're looking at the most up-to-date instructions for your version of Messenger. Next, you'll want to sign into your Facebook account, either on a computer or through your browser on mobile. Backups for Messenger chats are handled through your Facebook account settings, not just inside the Messenger app. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section that lets you manage your Facebook information. This is usually where you can download a copy of your data, including all your messages. Inside that section, you'll find an option to download your information. Here you can choose exactly what you want to include. To focus on Messenger, deselect everything else and select only messages. This helps keep the backup file smaller and more manageable. You can also adjust the date range, format, and media quality. If you only need recent chats, pick a shorter date range. If you want absolutely everything, leave it set to all time. Once your options look right, confirm your selection and request the download. Facebook will start preparing your file. This can take a while, especially if you've had your account for many years or you send a lot of photos and videos. Be patient. You'll receive a notification or email when your file is ready. When the backup is prepared, go back to the same section and download the file to a safe place, like your computer or an external drive. Remember that this file contains private conversations, so don't store it on shared computers and avoid uploading it to places you don't fully trust. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a secure backup of your Messenger chats that you can keep for reference, record keeping, or peace of mind whenever you change devices or clean up your account.